मनोहर पर्रीकाराक मरण आयिल्ल्यान गोंयांत प्रमोद सावंताच्या मुखेलपणा सकयल नव्या सरकाराची नेमणूक जाल्या. मुखेलमंत्री म्हूण प्रमोद सावंताची वेंचणूक केल्या तरी सरकारांतले मंत्री आनी मंत्र्यांची खातीं मनोहर पर्रीकाराच्या सरकारांत आसले तेच आसात. मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंताच्या सरकाराचें खाशेलपण म्हळ्यार दोन पक्षाच्या दोगां मंत्र्यांक उपमुख्यमंत्री केल्यात. मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंताच्या सरकारान दोगां मंत्र्यांक उपमुख्यमंत्री केल्यात. मात उपमुख्यमंत्री पदा दितना वेंचणूक आयोगान जाहीर केल्ल्या आचारसंहितेचो भंग केला असो आरोप गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेसीन केला. तशेंच वेंचणूक आयोगा कडेन आचारसंहितेचो भंग केल्ल्याची कागाळ केल्या आनी सरकारी अधिकारी आनी गोंय सरकाराचेर कारवाय करपाची मागणी केल्या.
They have appointed 2 deputy chief ministers. This is an administrative order issued by Joint Secretary GA. The government is pleased to designate Shri Ramkrishna alias Sudhin Ravlikar, Minister, and Shri Vijay Sardesai, Minister, as the Deputy Chief Minister with immediate effect. वो जी तेंच्यांनी order pass केला, it is absolutely violation of the Model Code of Conduct. आणि ह्या गोष्टी वाऱ्यार सांगून हांवें. In the Model Code of Conduct, at para 7, party in power, हांव सगळें वाचचो ना. 6D makes it very clear from the time elections are announced by the Commission, ministers and other authorities shall not. 6D, there are, among other things, any clauses of 6D sangta, shall not make any ad hoc appointments in government or public undertakings. Now this is not a constitutional appointment. This is an administrative order. And it is absolutely ad hoc. Because by the stroke of a pen it can be just thrown out. आयन काल इलेक्शन कमिशनाक कंप्लेन केली to the Chief Election Commission in Delhi. All the 3 who are there, plus the Chief Electoral Officer State of Goa, sent them by email, plus from Goa we have got the received copy of the hard copy also given to them. आता इतली बेजबाबदारपणे वो सरकार चलता, absolutely irresponsible, not caring for the election commission. This is the beginning of it, what they are going to behave and how they are going to behave and how they are going to suppress all other parties who will be in the fray is being told to us very subtly by this order that they don't care. आता प्रश्न हो येता, is the chief electoral officer supposed to be sitting down quietly and waiting for complaints, or should they take suo motu action after having come to know that there is violation of the Model Code of Conduct? Or are they giving the message that there is no violation of this Model Code of Conduct? Are they working under the pressure of the government, maybe state or center? These are questions that are coming up. I will recall to you all. There was a minister to be sworn in after the death of late Madani Saldana. It was not permitted by KHABAR, and KHABAR has come on record in his book. He told the chief minister then, though the chief minister, I saw the Times of India in fact, that day when it had come, I got it here, that it will be violation of Code of Conduct. But the then late chief minister, Parikar ji, said that it was his constitutional power. But after understanding and taking legal opinion, he restrained himself from nominating. Now nominating a minister was withheld, and you are here issuing administrative orders. Will this not influence the voter? Is this not made to give status to people at the time of the election? To a particular section of society? To who them? We have demanded, I have demanded in my complaint. I have the complaint copy here with me. To immediately set aside this order, direct them and to recall that order. Direct this government to recall this order. Or whether such directions will only come to the people who are opposing this government.
Now, similarly, in the manual of the Election Code of Conduct, that is 5.8.1, it has been stated by the Election Commission that the model code envisages that during the period of its operation, no ad hoc appointments in government, public undertakings shall be made which may have the effect of influencing the voters in favor of the party in power. Now, the appointment that has been done, can you give me that, please? So, basically, what was the urgency for the government to appoint these two deputy CMs? Couldn't this have waited till the completion of election process? Now, this entire process was done basically to curry favor with certain voters amongst the electorate. And this is a complete violation of the Election Code of Conduct 5.8.3, which we have pointed out in our complaint to the Election Commission.